The orange or amber light on your TP-Link router is one of the most common issues users encounter. This light indicates a specific connection problem that affects millions of users worldwide. The orange or amber light on your TP-Link router indicates a partial internet connection. This means your router is powered on and functioning, but it cannot establish a stable connection to the internet. Understanding the different LED states helps diagnose connection issues. A solid green light indicates full internet connectivity, while a solid orange light shows limited connectivity with local network access only. A blinking orange light means the router is actively attempting to connect, while a red light signifies no connection or hardware failure. No light at all indicates a power or system failure. This orange light issue is extremely common, accounting for approximately 23% of all TP-Link support tickets as of 2024. This makes it one of the top 3 technical support queries for the company. The orange light can stem from several main issues. Internet service provider connection problems account for 40% of cases, including service outages and account issues. Cable and physical connection problems represent 25% of cases, involving loose cables or damaged connections. Modem router communication issues account for 20%, including IP conflicts and protocol problems. Remember, the key characteristic of the orange light is partial connectivity. Your router is working, but something is preventing it from establishing a complete internet connection. Understanding this distinction is crucial for effective troubleshooting. When your TP-Link router shows an orange light, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to restore your internet connection. We'll work through each step methodically to identify and fix the problem. Step 1. Begin with basic diagnostics by performing a thorough visual inspection. Check all cable connections to ensure they're secure and properly seated in their ports. Step 2. Perform a proper power cycle sequence. This is crucial. The order and timing matter. First, unplug your modem for 30 seconds. Then unplug your router for 30 seconds. Next, reconnect the modem first and wait 2 full minutes for it to establish connection. Then, reconnect the router and wait 3 minutes for the full boot sequence to complete. Step 3. If the orange light persists, test your int connection by connecting your computer directly to the modem. This isolates whether the problem is with your internet service or your router. Step 4. Access your router's admin panel to check configuration settings. Open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Verify that your WAN settings match your ISP's requirements. Check for firmware updates in the administration section, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Also, review the system logs for any error messages that might indicate the specific problem. Step 5. If all previous steps fail, perform a factory reset as the last resort. For newer TP-Link models, locate the reset button on the back of the router and hold it for 10 seconds while the router is powered on. Remember that a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your network name, password, and any special settings from scratch using your ISP's configuration requirements. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will resolve most orange light issues. Start with the simple checks and work your way through each step methodically. Most problems are resolved by step 2 or 3, but having the complete process ensures you can handle any connectivity issue.